Spray. Hey Will, grab the bag. Guys, any tip? When you're on push, you don't have a lot of room to carry rubbish. You have to carry your rubbish. Crush up your bottles, cans, get as much air out of them as you can, chuck them in a bag, and in no time, you'll be taking all your waste out of the bush.
Hi guys, in this video, we were once again down at Toombon State Park. Here's a look at some of the tracks we navigated our way onto on the way over to the mining town of Jericho.
What
was
that, Wal?
Come on up.
You sound like you're dying, that was all.
Hey, mate.
Do you have any car food here? Or do you want
I
me to
do,
get mine?
I have one.
You got it?
Alright, on the way up.
He needs to start taking it with him. Put it in his
We all rolling?
pocket.
Just like slip it in his pocket and start looking.
Right, on my way.
Can't keep going that way.
I can't steer it.
You're gonna have to come forward and realign.
Wheel's locked. I can't change direction. So he'll have to straighten me with the winch at the back.
You'll have to straighten him with the winch at the back. Yeah, you went too far that way as you were going back.
I didn't steer, it pulled me that way. I should have jumped off the brake. Let's just see if he's dragged my ass back to the side. You communicate from out there, Wal, and tell me I'm not on my brake. So hands out of the steering wheel when this is happening.
Why, just in case?
The objective here is to steer me straight, and then I'll try and reverse it down slowly once we're straight. I repeat, I have no foot on the brake, so I need communications here. I think I should brake as he steers me back.
You ready, Will? Alright, so yeah, what's the plan here? Do you want me to just start winching?
Yeah, just start winching me backwards. Let's just see if it drags my ass straight.
Alright, winching.
Yeah, Wal's command here.
Right. Yeah, where's the car pointing? Yep. Straight now.
No, stop!
Stop. Further up that embankment, that's not pulling him straight at all, it's just pulling him down. Get tackle block, we're not going to get out of that tackle block. Sorry? Get tackle block out, we're going to need the tackle block.
The battery just went flat.
Alright, take all the kids down.
I don't know if they're going to be able to get the seatbelts on, right?
You're going to have to get them out.
Kids, get your seatbelts off.
Guys, Wal, is the battery?
Just wait, wait.
Go over the top wire. Climb over. You right? You sure? Okay?
The wheel is like this.
I know.
I'm going to have to go up there, Chris, because I'm not going to have to get down there.
Alright. Go up behind the camera. Watch that camera. Man the camera up there. Make sure it's recording. Hot. give you guys an idea of what's going on, I'm going to show you. That is, I don't know if you can see the gauges, that's the angle we're on currently.
All right, so we've got a snatch block set up there to try and pull the car this direction, because at the moment, when we were winching it before, it's just pulling up that embankment further. So, we good to try?
No, we're just waiting on Sarah to get a camera situation back.
Is it worth turning your wheels the other way and trying to straighten up?
I can't change my wheel direction.
No, his wheels are jammed in the groove. He's not getting out of where they are at a second.
Alright, just go.
Go slowly, Will.
I'm on brake.
I'm winching. Yep. Oh,
Straighten wheels. Straighten.
running over there.
Stop. Otherwise you're going to end up with a winch cable wrapped all around you. Just stop for a sec.
Put on the car. Alright, just put on the car. Get it out.
Alright, can you go forward from there? Or not really?
He's gonna have to go downhill probably.
No, he needs to angle himself back over that way a little bit more.
Watch out, move.
I'm alright.
Christ, I had to stop with you.
No, Will's just panicking. I was fine.
Towards you.
Yeah, it was fine.
Alright, let's get this winch in.
Can I need to...
Jesus! Far out! Thanks for the rocks! If we give you a bit of track building, will that help? You need to go back towards your right, or else you're going to end up in the same situation you were in before.
Alright, I have a plan, but I need Will to be out of the way.
You have a plan?
Yeah,
Yeah, but what if I put another board up on the front left as well to stop that, to level out that drop off a bit too? One board in that right, one board on the front left where your front wheel goes up and over. Yeah?
yeah, I could hit it with a bit more speed too though.
Yeah, but do you really want to send you really want to do a launch it video? Come on. We need to show maxtrax that we're putting their stuff to good use.
Yeah.
I just walked it, but then it's that no articulation contact.
And
Right there.
But his front wheel makes it up that high.
Well, I can stack them on top of each other wherever I'm getting stuck there.
I don't know if he's getting stuck on the other side, but he's definitely getting stuck there. That's where all the rocks and rock came from. Oh, crazy. His front wheel pushed it out.
Alright,
hang on.
get the dust pedal.
No, put him under his wheel, now what? Remember, don't lay it flat. Don't lay it flat. Don't lay it flat.
Tuck it in.
Because your front wheel's just pushing it out, Chris.
Just coming in your GoPro. A little bit of dust is going to be going in. Yeah?
Try that, go slow. Catch, Will. Alright, we'll try that. If then, we'll try and find some branches to fill it up.
Let me go back.
In the same one, I think he wants to put them on top of each other well.
Grab it.
Just turf it. So I get it.
Battery's up.
Battery's flat. Battery's flat on the mirrorless.
Well, then we'll run your GoPro off.
Roger.
You got a new battery for your GoPro?
Yeah. We just replaced it. All right, they're stacked. I guess failing this, we can do a bit of track building. I see some logs and shit around. And he's up! Woohoo! Not that we can see anything.
All right, we did it, boys. Woo, we did it. Woo!
Turf him up, Hev. Turf him up over here. Just turf him. Just throw it.
Right, guys, you're not gonna break them. I mean, if Dad's builders break them, you're not throwing them, unlikely to probably break them.
Beautiful.